My name's Catherine, and I live in Charlotte, North Carolina, here in the Ballantyne area.
I'm Tyler.
Total amount of time was 11 days to complete everything, but we also, in addition to doing our kitchen, we also renovated our pantry and our laundry room, and had our floors refinished.
All with 11 days, yeah.
For me, the most frustrating part of the old kitchen was feeling like I couldn't cook what I wanted to or when I wanted to.
It was very claustrophobic.
Just those mornings where you're trying to wrestle with 4 kids to get them to school. And then the drawer snagged your hoodie and I can't do this anymore. I'm here a lot with the kids by myself, and so I wanted a team that could come in and work quickly, but also where I felt safe.
When we read about you online, everyone was talking about Barry. And I was like, hold on, I've got Barry's cell phone number right here. I have direct access to the head of the company. I mean, that matters to me. That's pretty cool. And that was really nice.
The very first day they were here, what made me kind of fall in love with the whole crew was, as they were doing the demo, they had an A's Spotify station or something playing, and they were all in here singing.
I wanted to grab a sledgehammer, go in there, and start destroying it with it. And it was so much fun.
They made me want to go help them.
It went very well. We left for a couple of days. I went to work. She took the kids to their moms, and then we came back. We had the kitchen.
And I had this vision of what I wanted, and I had talked to Barry and Michelle and felt like my vision came across. But when I actually saw it in person, it was better than I could have ever envisioned it being. Now, we're excited to show it off. We want people to come over. I'm excited to cook again. I feel like, our eating habits have improved just because we can use the kitchen a little bit more and are excited to use the kitchen.
Enjoying cooking again is a great thing. And now, when we make tacos, I mean, you know how tacos are. You got 8 bowls and 2 cutting boards, and we couldn't really do that in our old kitchen. And now taco night is awesome because we have all this counter space, and it's fantastic. You can cook, and it's fun. It's just fun.
Our pound puppy gets to eat in style too.
On quartz.
On quartz. This is actually better than my green kitchen.
I would absolutely recommend 7-Day Kitchens. In fact, one of my coworkers, and I've told them, hey, let me know when you're ready. I'll got the guy to send you to.
My advice would just be, just do it. Plan yourself a vacation the week that they're going to be in your house. Go do something fun, and then when you come back, your kitchen will be wonderful.